This video is going to explain color therapy and how to combine it with the spiritual process of waist beading for manifestation and healing. Stay tuned if you want to hear more. Color therapy is also known as chromotherapy or colorology, and some people call it light therapy as well. To give you background, light is a type of energy that affects everything it comes into contact with. Color is the way our brain interprets different frequencies of light. Every frequency or color affects our body at a physiological, mental, and emotional level. As a matter of fact, all living beings experience a change in behavior when exposed to different colors. Every color has its own healing properties associated with it. When you become aware of how colors affect you, you can begin to use colors to bring positive change and healing into your life. I want to tell you how you can use color therapy in your life every day. So the most basic way to use color therapy is to expose yourself to those colors. You can expose yourself through your environment. For example, your decor, colors in your home, flowers are another way. You can use food as well, eating the colors of the rainbow. I'm sure you've heard that before. Purple eggplants, red strawberries, yellow bananas, things like that. Some people use colored glasses as a way to intensify their exposure to a certain color. You can buy these types of glasses very easily on Amazon. Another way you can expose yourself to different colors is by using crystals. And if you are a subscriber to my channel, you know that I love crystals. I actually have a video talking about the different healing properties of certain crystals. So check that out if you haven't seen it already. And regardless of what the specific healing properties of that crystal are, you can use the colors by themselves as healing elements. Chakra work is another obvious way to expose yourself to color therapy. You can focus on the colors of the chakra for chakra balancing and chakra meditation. You can also wear different colors through your clothes or your jewelry. Specifically when it comes to jewelry, I like to use waist beads because I can be really deliberate with the colors I choose. And it's combining the benefit of color therapy with crystals and gemstones if you choose to use those when you're creating your waist beads. You can customize it to your specific needs and what you're trying to manifest. The color itself gives off a vibration, so you don't have to be looking at it for an effect to take place. So originally I wanted to put the information about the qualities of different colors in this video, but it was getting way too long, so I've separated it out. So I'll put a link to that video below. It will explain the specific qualities of different colors and how they affect your mood, your behavior, and the energy around you. So now let me talk a little bit about waist beads, just in case you are unfamiliar with what they are. Waist beads are beads strung on a cord or a thread and worn around the waist. People wear them for pure adornment. Sometimes you'll see them in the form of belly chains. They've become very popular and mainstream now. Magazines, you'll see them wearing gold and silver chains that connect from the neck and go down around the waist. That's still in the realm of waist beads and waist jewelry. But people also wear them for spiritual reasons, which is where my main interest lies. For example, to honor important moments or occasions in life. A young woman getting her menses for the first time, or a mature woman starting menopause. Parents may make them for their children for protection, to celebrate a pregnancy, a birth, an engagement, or a wedding, to heal after a surgery or a birth, and to open the way for a new experience, like to encourage sensuality or confidence, courage, fertility in the wearer. So I hope that gives you a little insight into what waist beads are and how beneficial it is to deliberately connect the color therapy healing to the creation of waist beads. If you find yourself more interested in this whole waist beading idea, and you're interested in learning how to create mindful, purposeful, and intentional pieces for yourself or your family, I've created a new course called Magical Mama Belly Beads. It's not only a tutorial on how to actually make the beads step by step, but it also includes how to infuse them with your intentions and your wishes for manifestation and healing. And I have a special announcement for the first 25 people who register for the Magical Mama Belly Beads course. I have a special code for you to get $10 off the cost of the course. The code is SUMMER2018. I'll put the link below. You can also visit aurashift.com and click on Magical Mama for more information. If you like this video and you found this information helpful, please like the video and consider sharing it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Namaste.